Hey, good afternoon. It's Sandy, your Work at Home Grandma. Back again for another installment on the Rubies series. I want to tell you a little bit about how Rubies started. The story actually began in 1992 when I was a writer taking classes, and my mother was still living. And her and I sat down and talked about some story ideas. And she told me about my grandmother's journey from Norway to America and what she went through, the hazardous trip, and then what she found when she got to America. She came from Norway, which was a beautiful land, lush and green, and she arrived in a prairie town that was filled with filth and dust. The widower that she was to work for turned out to be a little inappropriate. In today's day and age, you'd call it rape. Back then, it was expected that the housekeeper would provide services for her employer. And unfortunately, my grandmother became pregnant and was forced to marry. That was the end of her return to Norway, and it was the downhill road for Kaya. I hope that you'll tune in again next week for some more news on Rubies Escaping the Curse. You can check out the books by clicking on the link in the box. So have a great day, and we'll see you next week.